Retrograde comets are those that orbit the Sun in the opposite direction to the planets. A retrograde motion, meaning they have an orbital inclination greater than 90 degrees. These comets often have long-period orbits, originating from the distant Oort Cloud, and they are of particular interest due to their unusual trajectories. History and examples of retrograde comets. Halley's Comet, also known as 1P Halley, is one of the most famous retrograde comets, with an inclination of 162.3 degrees. It is a periodic comet with an orbital period of about 75 to 76 years, which means it has been observed multiple times throughout human history. The comet's retrograde orbit means it moves opposite the direction of Earth and other planets. This also makes it one of the few known periodic comets that is retrograde. It was the first comet to be recognized as periodic by Edmund Halley in 1705, linking its appearances in historical records dating back to 240 BCE. Comet West, also known as C1975 V1, was discovered in 1975 and had a highly retrograde orbit with an inclination of about 43 degrees. It was a long-period comet, not expected to return for tens of thousands of years. Known for its bright appearance, Comet West provided a spectacular sight in early 1976 and was visible even during daylight. Despite its brilliance, it broke into several fragments after perihelion, making it a memorable comet in the modern era. Comet C2011 L4, also known as Pan-STARRS, has a retrograde orbit with an inclination of about 84 degrees. It was discovered in 2011 and made its closest approach to the Sun in March 2013. Though not as famous as Halley or West, Pan-STARRS was widely observed and studied, providing valuable data for understanding long-period retrograde comets. Comet Ison, also known as C2012 S1, had a highly retrograde orbit with an inclination of about 62 degrees. It gained a lot of attention in 2013 for its potential to become an extremely bright comet. Unfortunately, Comet Ison disintegrated as it passed close to the Sun during perihelion in November 2013. Why are some comets retrograde? The Oort Cloud, where many long-period comets originate, is a spherical shell of icy bodies surrounding the solar system. Comets in the Oort Cloud can be perturbed by the gravitational forces of nearby stars or the galactic tide, sending them into the inner solar system on various trajectories, including retrograde orbits. Since the Oort Cloud is not aligned with the plane of the ecliptic, the plane in which most planets orbit, comets can enter the inner solar system from any direction, resulting in a wide range of orbital inclinations, including retrograde motion. Comets with retrograde orbits tend to move faster relative to Earth and other planets because they are traveling in the opposite direction. This can make them more difficult to study as they spend less time near the Sun and Earth. However, their unique trajectories also make them valuable for understanding the dynamics of the solar system and the processes that affect the Oort Cloud. In conclusion, retrograde comets are rare, but provide important insights into the structure and evolution of the solar system. Their orbits, often originating from the Oort Cloud, highlight the diverse and complex nature of cometary paths. This is why we could see a sight that changes the way we look at the night sky. For as many years that I have held the sky close to me, there hasn't been a single one that revealed itself to be